Guys, welcome back to my vlogging channel, and today we are going on vacation. We're going to Great Wolf Lodge. We're going next times. That's not cool at all. But now he's fine. Finally, that car's working. Hello, guys. I need to get up. He took all hour to get up on the trunk. Whew. Finally, it's working, Daddy. So his car is working back there. He's trying to work for hours and hours to do that. I'm sorry, it's going to be hours. But it's not. So, yeah. Well, I'm going to get in the video. It's my channel, and I can write the name. We started vlogging for now. It's kind of like a game thing, like half games a week. And half videos and half normal videos a week. He's trying to get in. Alright, come on. He's trying to get on the trunk right here. Come on. Let's see the viewers. Let's see this. Come on. Let's watch his failure. No. Told you. Alright, he can do it one more time if he did that. Alright, let's do this. Oh, shoot. But that was a failure. Failure number 2. Hashtag failure number 1 and 2. Let's break dancing again. Wait, I got this. It's so mature that my brother can't not do it. He's strong, but he can't not do it. Got it. Alright, don't do that again, okay? Because I don't want no everything on my. Anyways, I'm just making my brother use over there. Help! It is my channel! Ew! I hate bugs. Nope. Yes. Fine. But he don't have his own channel because his mama don't let him for no reason. So yeah, he can't have his own channel.
I can't have my own channel when I'm 8. You started when you were 8.
Nuh-uh. Yes, I was. Oh shoot! Wait. I set my channel when I was 8. It was good.
Try this. I gotta try it out this way.
Alright. Let's see his failure. He can't even do it.
And the camera's on. I don't like it.
He don't know that. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.